Hi, this is Andrew Shelley in Biology 112. For this assignment, I chose squid as my organism of interest. In this presentation, I'll be going over the habitat, feeding habits, ecology, and evolution of this amazing group of creatures. This organism is commonly referred to as squid, however is better known by the scientific community as the supergroup Decapitiformes. The habitat of all squid depends on the adaptation of each particular species. Take, for example, a reef squid, which, unsurprisingly, lives primarily in coral reefs due to their dependence on the protection of the coral reef structures. However, the vast majority of squid species live in the open ocean, typically at very deep sections of the ocean. What tends to separate the groups in the open ocean is their temperature tolerance. Some species prefer cold water, while others may prefer warm water. However, almost all species of squid thrive in saltwater oceans and seas, perhaps indicating some form of evolutionary barrier exists at their current stage in the evolutionary timescale. Squid typically rely on relatively small prey, which include small fish, crabs, shrimp, and even other smaller squid. To capture prey, they use tentacles, which have serrated suction cups that increase grip. Unsuspecting prey may pass by, in which they take the opportunity to release their tentacles and draw their meal in. They consume their food with a pair of small beaks which shred the still living prey into small bits for digestion. The size of a squid also typically directly correlates with their level of nutrition or caloric intake, and the smaller the squid, the more likely they are to be consumed by another species or larger predator. This then impacts their choice of habitat, leading them to seek areas with easy food access. Most small species of squid focus on eating small prey such as polychaete worms, small or larval fish, shrimp and other crustaceans, and even other squid species. Some large species of squid can even hunt large species of fish and other squid species. Most famous of these squid species, the so-called giant squid, may attack fish near its own side and feed. Thus, as a predator, squid function as population control of smaller, more numerous species. As prey, they serve as food for many large fish, whales, and humans. After leaving their shell sometime in their distant evolutionary past, cephalopods such as squids developed the unique cellular mechanism of camouflage through the use of chromatophores. Octopi and squid have also been known to have the largest nervous system of any invertebrate, giving them better decision-making skills and, in some cases, greater intelligence than many vertebrates. Additionally, the use of tentacles had not been seen in species further back in the evolutionary timeline. The specialized suckers had unique advantages that aren't seen in any other species outside of Decapitiformes. And here is where they fall along the tree of life. And here last are the citation and resources.